How to book Uber cab. Hey everybody, welcome back to our channel. In this video I'm going to guide you through the steps on how you can book an Uber cab, so make sure to watch the video till the end. Now if you would like to basically book an Uber cab, first of all launch the Uber application here and make sure that you sign into the account. Now over here you simply need to make sure to basically enter your pickup point over here, and once you basically enter your pickup point you also want to make sure to enter your destination here. As you do that, you'll find under gathering options many sort of options here, such as whether you want Uber X or the Black, Uber XL, or depending upon whatever else it is that you prefer, you can simply go ahead and find the desired option that you like in this case, such as you want the popular ones or whether you want to go economy and then actually book Uber Green for just $10 or $11 or so. After you do this, you can just tap on the choose option and then you'll be able to choose them. This way you can book Uber cab. Hope this video was very helpful. If you have got any questions, feel free to also leave them down in the comment section below. Thank you very much for watching till the end of this tutorial, and see you soon in our next video.